No! Bruno, I am not a cow. I am Bruno, a magnificent buffalo. Mia, Bruno, are you okay? Bruno, I am perfectly fine. Achoo! Mia, bless you. Bruno. Nobody saw that. I have a small allergy problem. Mia, how long has this been happening? Bruno, since Tuesday. Mia, I know. Hold your breath and count to 10. Bruno, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Achoo! Mia, okay, that didn't work. Bruno, you think? Mia climbs down and walks up to Bruno. She picks the tiny daisy and tosses it far away over the fence. Bruno, I knew that. Mia, you're my favorite non-cow. Bruno, I'll allow it. Both. The end.